What's up, people of YouTube? Srikanth here. Welcome back once again. Welcome to day 6. So right now the time is 5:45 early in the morning. We are in Lachen. So we are going to Gurdongmar Lake. So vehicle starts from early in the morning at 5 o'clock only, but we are starting at 6 o'clock. So it might take quite a long time to reach there. And we are leaving our luggage in our room. So after finishing the lake, we'll come back to the room. We'll pack our luggage and we'll be leaving to La Chung. Yeah, La Chung. We just had a pit stop in the middle, and can you see the glacier behind me? Oh my god, see this side, it's full of snow. I don't know how much is the temperature. Pura snowy hai. And it's completely ghat road. So I just saw a beautiful, क्या बोलते हैं, kind of water flow. So I just thought I'll just show you people also, with full of ice. Oh my goodness. I'll go nearer to this ice. It's damn freezing here, damn. So while you people are traveling here, make sure that you have you're having proper, क्या बोलते हैं, ग्लाउजेस, your winter wear. We just stopped here somewhere in the middle to have our breakfast. So nothing, we had nothing. Like yesterday only we bought, in our package only it's included. So he bought bread jam and चलो, क्या हुआ भैया? हाँ? हमारा गाड़ी नहीं है ना? సో అదే ఆడు నన్ను అంటుండు, బాధ అంటున్నాడు. So abhi we'll go and have our breakfast. Either water flow is going on and literally water is freezed over here. We'll go under and have our breakfast. Let's go. Literally my hands are freezing, man. Nice, right? अंदर जा रहा है. ఏర్మా మనం జాతి అది కొంపటే సరే కొంపటే.
Hi friends.
Yeah, we almost finished our breakfast and abhi we ordered one more, matlab two more extra Maggie because here it's too cold. So we just wanted to have something very hot. So इसलिए we ordered for Maggie. And here we have a small puppy, near our legs. I'll show you, wait. అమ్మా కాల్ వేడెక్కేస్తుంది చూసా. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద కుంపటే. సో ये है छोटू सा क्यूट सा कुत्ता. Yes, we just now finished our breakfast. Most of the places you can see this. When you come here, you can just put your hands on this one so that your hands get thoda sa warmer. And yeah, that's it. So abhi we are heading towards Gurdongmar Lake. Oh my goodness, it's damn cold here. Say this. एक मिनट. हाँ? फीलिंग कर रहा है जैसे इधर पे पेट्रोल पंप होता है ऐसा होता है. अच्छा. So here you don't get the fuel. It's really hard to fuel your vehicle. So देखो, this is how they fuel the vehicle. Hey, wow. Here you have got some fuel cans, but it will be quite expensive and literally they'll be freezing. Chalo guys, let's move. Let's move. We need to show the permit to army people, and after this checkpoint we'll go और थोड़ा ऊपर and reach Gurdongmar Lake. Dosa, by the way, point, world's highest dosa point. We'll be going there and trying the dosa. So this is the world's highest dosa point. So these dosas are prepared by army people. So we'll go there also and try the dosa. Viewpoint. So this is one of the viewpoints. And guys, you got to come here. This is damn awesome, and most of the places are military places, so that is the reason I am not capturing most videos. Literally we have seen panther on the road. Black panther nahi. That tanker will be there, right? Military walon ka tanker. So literally it is going on the road. So I didn't take a video of it because just for Indian Army safety. As an Indian, I should not do that. So yes, this is the last checkpoint. If you want to go to Gurdongmar Lake, it's so we are at right now we are at 15,000 feet, and literally it's just freezing. Oh my god, इतना ठंडे भाई, बहुत ठंडे. less people. So ultimately we have reached Guru Dongmar Lake. So right now we are at approximately 18,000 feet. Here it is freaking cold. Freaking cold. And Guru Dongmar Lake is completely frozen. Only some part is open. Matlab, it's not frozen, and remaining Guru Dongmar Lake is completely frozen. And here you can see such a beautiful glaciers, guys. Just directly you people watch in 3, 2, 1, go. This is Guru Dongmar Lake, and our vehicles are parked over there. So one more info in Guru Dongmar Lake. If you want to go for a full round of this Guru Dongmar Lake, it takes somewhere around 3.5 hours. And if you want, you can do it. But here altitude is really high, so don't get too tense. Don't get too excited, because it will be really hard to take a breath. Oh my god, it's 1 second, guys. Let me just put on my gloves. Yeah, it's freaking cold here. So we're just going to one point where you can see, we're just going for a couple of pictures where we can get. Yeah, literally the wind is pulling us like. It's directly hitting our face. Me and one more guy are only there in this road. We'll go there, click some good pictures, try to vlog, and show a beautiful pictures of Guru Dongmar Lake. Oh my god, yaar, see those fucking glaciers. Those glaciers are really beautiful. Such a beautiful. You wanna see it? See those glaciers. So this is also Guru Dongmar Lake. See those glaciers, yaar. My god, such a beautiful glaciers. So one more update is me and my friend, his name is Dhananjay. So we both are going to almost there. We are not we are not exciting ourselves, but here location is like it's out of the world. Only we both are traveling all the way and seeing this place, but this place is solid place. So right now I'm not straining myself, but here headwind. So headwind is really high, so it's getting really hard, but abhi thak it's fine. If it gets a bit colder, or if I feel some sickness, I'll try to go back. And oh my god, yaar, this is such a beautiful place. Such a beautiful place. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Guys. Oh my god. Only we both are. None of the people here. Oh my goodness. Such a beautiful place. at the Gurudongmar Lake. Actually, we thought of going for a round, but it takes, as I told you, it takes 3.5 hours. But such a solid location. You know, camera is doing zero justice. I'm literally telling you. Just come here, watch it with your own eyes, guys. You literally get mad. But when you come here, be very, very, very careful, because it will be a really problem for you people if you don't have proper exercise and all. Because high altitude and this cold wind which hits your face, it's really hard to breathe also. So just be very, very careful. We are the youngest, so that is why we tried. We thought of we'll just do some adventure. And life is all about having adventures. Woo! Oh my god. Sexy location, bro. You got to come here, watch it. Again and again I'll be telling these words only. Such a solid location, awesome, out of the world, I'm telling you. I've never seen something like this. Awesome, out of